Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this grass applique on fabric.
So I've actually started by just coloring it, drawing it with a pencil, and then overlaying it with a marker. And then once I overlay it with the marker, I transfer it to a different piece of paper, flip that paper, and then I trace out the design again, and then I put it on the transfer paper. So I already have the water and the bridge done, but now that I have the grass done, I'm going to take it to a light table, and I'm going to flip it upside down and trace it out onto our transfer paper.
Because I want to keep everything super organized, I've taken my paper and I've numbered every little piece, and I'm making it so it's like a puzzle piece so that when I look at my other one, I can see that it's numbered, and then I can piece it together. I'm just taking my scissors and I am cutting those little parts and I'm ironing them to my fabric. Once I have all those pieces cut out and ironed on, this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to cut them out on the fabric. So I've sewn on a little bit just to see what it looks like, and I think I like how it looks. Now I'm just puzzle piecing it together and taking my time. Once I figured out the pattern, I am now taking it to my sewing machine and I'm doing a zigzag stitch over the top of it. This makes it so it stays put and it will not move ever.
After you've sewn on it for a while, this is what it looks like, and it looks really cool, and that's how you applique your work onto fabric.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned on more progress on this applique piece I'm working on, and make sure to hit that bell. Thank you guys so much. See ya. Bye.